Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I've got 5 of the Disney Princess mini dolls, the Little Kingdom snap-in dolls. These all came together as a set. I am going to unbox them, but I'm going to unbox them in individual videos. I wanted to show you the entire set first. Here's Jasmine in the back, Cinderella, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, and Snow White. They're really, really cute. I love the size of these dolls. I love their dresses. I love the way they look, and I love the snap-in concept. So today, we're going to unbox Belle. So let's get started with that. So here we've got Belle out of the box, out of the package. She's so cute in her yellow dress, the pink bodice. She's got long brown hair, nice and wavy. I like the molded hair because it always looks beautiful. She's a pretty doll. I like the way her hands are. Her snap-ins are all pink roses, but they are in different shapes. This one here, I think, is supposed to go on her head. So we'll put that on her. She looks great with that on. This one goes here at the top. And she's fully dressed now with all of her snap-ins on. There she is from the side. And the back with her little snap-in in her hair. Her arms do move. Her head turns side to side. I'll show you that in a moment. So let's take these little roses off. And we're going to slowly remove each piece so that you can see how it's assembled. This is the overskirt. It wraps around in the back. Here's her underskirt. It's got a little panty panel in the middle. Each leg goes down on each side of the panel. And then here's her snap-in top. It's just a little yellow collar with a silver rose on it. So this is what she looks like in her always dressed leotard or bodysuit. Her arms go up and down. Her head turns from side to side. Her legs move up and down individually. She's a pretty little doll. I like the color of her bodysuit and her little shoes. They're like the color of a dark pink rose. So that goes well with this set. And then we'll put her back together. I've shown in other videos where if I don't have all the pieces, I don't have the overskirt, for example, on this one, I'll put the skirt backwards on the doll. That way I can stand her or display her, and she looks good with a full skirt on. Because if you don't have the overskirt, you just have the underskirt, the look is strange because you can see the bottom portion of her bodysuit and you can see the tops of her thighs, and that looks kind of weird. I'm not sure why, Mattel designed these dolls like that. I don't know why they don't have a full underskirt, but that's okay. There's ways around that. So we'll put her overskirt back on. Wrap it around. Here, she's got that back together. And then this is her little insert, kind of like a heart shape on her chest. And then that's what the top piece snaps directly into. And there she's back together. Then we can put our snap-ins back on her and get her fully dressed. She also has another hole over here on this side. You could reposition her roses. She's super cute. I hope you like her. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.